So today we're going to show you guys on how to set up your 5-in-1 diamond Microdermabrasion that's made in USA by Skin Act, with starting with all the handles and where to attach them. So first you want to make sure you have all the attachments. You have the diamond tips that comes in a box. You do have the tubings for it, and then you do also get another extra tubing for the filter system. That's an extra filter system. And then you have the LED and microcurrent. And you have the hot and cold hammer and the ultrasonic handles. Now, whenever you're connecting the wires, you want to make sure you have lined up perfectly in the correct spots. And how you can be able to tell is that, for instance, the hot and cold has 5 prongs. And there's only one area that has 5-prong connection, and you would connect it into here. And once you plug it in, make sure you line it up correctly. You can be able to screw this on it. Same goes with the rest of the functions. And now to start off, once you have everything connected on it, you will come over to the unit itself. The next function is going to be the diamond Microdermabrasion that we want to show you guys. Now with the diamond Microdermabrasion, what you want to do is you have this tubing. One end of the tubing, what you would do is you would connect on the back of the unit right here. Right here, as you could see, you would take this metal piece off, unscrew it. Once you unscrew this metal piece, you would have it then go through this white tubing. Once you have it go through the white tubing, then you would want to connect your white tubing into this metal piece. Now, since it's brand new, might be a little bit harder. Once you get it through, then you push this metal piece on and screw it back on. This will help it keep it in securely in. And once you go ahead and connect the tubing, on the other end, you do get your 9 different chips right here with 3 different handles. Now each chip have different grades, and they're all located on the unit itself on the handle tip. It says D180. The higher the number, the more finer will be the tips. The lower the number, the more rougher they will be. Now for the filter, to keep an extra filter to keep your Microdermabrasion clean, what you can be able to do is have this white filter, just make it into one piece, not 2 or anything. Get that one piece, put this over here, or to make it easier, you can turn your tip upside down, fit it through, make it flat in, and once you go ahead and do that, then you screw it on. Now you have an option to be able to connect it directly to here and use it, or you can use another extra filter system, which is this one right here. This is an extra filter that you would trash this after about 6 months of use, up to a year, depending how often you use it. And what you want to do is, instead of connecting it directly here, you would connect this into here, push it in, make sure it's tight, its place, and then you would connect this through here. You push it all the way in so it doesn't come out. Once you do that, you go over to the unit itself. You have the touch screen right here that has the ultrasonic, hot and cold, LED microcurrent, and the diamond Microdermabrasion. You would select on diamond Microdermabrasion. Now with the diamond Microdermabrasion, you have the play and the pause. Once you press play, the Microdermabrasion starts working. Now with the diamond Microdermabrasion, if you want to control the intensity, you can control it with the dial right here. And let's say if I put my thumb over this, the suction should be able to go up. Now as I turn up higher to the maximum with the dial, it should go up to about 60. And I can be able to use it on my skin to show it to you with the diamond tip. And anytime you want to go ahead and finish with this, you press pause. You can be able to switch the tips anytime. And the white filter that goes inside of it, you would trash it after each time of usage with person. Take this off and put another different tip. Like for instance, you do get different tips, so you can be able to just switch it over. And each one has different grits meant to be used for different areas. The smaller ones with higher grit can be used for delicate areas like around the eyes, around the nose.